welcome back to my channel, Rae-DivaMePlz. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be watch me work as I do the cow print for the first time. And also, this is polygel and not acrylic. So let's just go ahead and jump on in it. So here I am removing the polygel from my client's nails. They last, or she comes back every 2 weeks. So here I am going in with a extra coarse bit, taking off as much as the polygel that I possibly can before I go in later with a sanding band and a file to take off the rest. Here I am with that sanding band. Now this is a 180 grit band that I am using to take off the rest of the polygel, getting as close to that base layer of gel that I put down to start off with, so that I am able to file it off when I go in and shape the nail. You guys, I cannot get over my beautiful curls. My anniversary was almost 2 weeks ago, and look at them, still spiraling away. They are starting to drop though. So after I am done filing and shaping the nails a bit, I am going in and pushing back her cuticles. This is her favorite part. She states that she loves how I take my time and get to those cuticles. Going in with my favorite cuticle bit. It is going to go in there and get some of those hard to reach areas and lift up all of that dead tissue that is on the nail. Now I'm going back in here with my sanding band just because there was a little bit of the polygel that I thought I was going to be able to get with the cuticle bit, but it just wasn't budging enough for me, so I had to go back in with that band just to remove it. So now I'm going in and shaping or filing down some or two of her nails that have grown out more than the others, and just wanted to trim them down to the same length as the others. And then I'm gonna clip those cuticles, get them out of here. So now I am ready to start the application process. I am going in with some dehydrator and some primer. I'm only going to do one hand at a time just because, as you can see, she's, on her phone, and I just didn't want to mess up my prep process. So I am going in here with the first step of the polygel application, and that is a gel base, and then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then I will be sculpting a few of her nails just because they are just a little bit shorter. Okay, so here we are getting ready to start the process, but before I did, I remembered I needed to grab my mini UV LED light so that I am able to flash cure each nail to speed up some of the time and not having to cure each nail for 60 seconds. As we're just moving right along, flash curing this white nail really quickly, I am just really in love with Polygel at the moment. Now, this is my only client at the moment that does receive Polygel consistently, so I am getting better each and every time. So after I flash cure that thumb, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my full lamp so all of the nails are able to cure at the same time. As she shows us what it looks like. And now I'm gonna go in and do the next hand, going in with that the dehydrator and then primer. So after application and fully curing that hand, I am going to go ahead and take all of the forms off and cure the underside of the nails, just because last time when I did this, it was not fully cured up underneath, but I also didn't have that, cure flash lamp either. So I just wanted to make sure that it is completely cured all the way through. So going in with my hand file, I will be correcting the shape here and just making sure that they all look nice and even, going over the top and smoothing them out as well. Now, the only thing that I can say that I dislike about Polygel is the sticky part on top. It just gets stuck to the hand file and it doesn't come off, so it just makes that part of the file less gritty to be able to continue to shape the nail. Now, I didn't realize this as I was filming, but you have to turn the hand over and make sure that it is straight across. And I didn't mean to take that out of the picture, but you know, you gotta get it done. So after using the hand file, I am going to go in over the top with that 180 grit sanding band, smoothing it out just a little bit more than what my hand file was able to do. So if you're able to see, I had to switch out my sanding bands because, like I said, that sticky layer on top does collect on the sanding band and in the file, and it just makes it hard to continue to file over the top. So here I am checking, making sure that they are all straight across, and then going to buff out those nails before I send her to wash her hands. So after she washed her hands, I am going in with one of my really fine brushes with some black gel polish, and I'm just attempting what I think the cow print looks like off of the picture. Now, I do like what I'm doing on this hand a lot better than what I did on the first hand, but you know, trial and error, you have to do it once to be able to perfect it, right? Now I'm going in with some no wipe top coat just to finish off with that glossy look. Make sure you are following me on Instagram at Rae-DivaMePlz to see all of my work first. Follow me on Facebook at Rae-DivaMePlz. My work is posted there as well. And also just to keep up with me, let me know what you like to see next. And here I am finishing up with some cuticle oil. So make sure you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.